Nagdadapit nga tanga, dadaan. Ayan na. Datoy? Jadi yung nga ito nga di jay? Tapay na yun. Usto dato yun niya. Dapat dito yun eh. Adata na eh. Nadadaan sa amin na. Mahalak pa nga tayo. Di jay niya. Kadak kalumpay baset. Ayan. With sitaw at saka ito. Ayan. Ayan. Loko. And together with this sampalok.
Taro.
We call it this one logo.
In Tamil they tell what? Senakrangu. The other side, this one spoiled, right? The zucchini.
Yeah, this is spoiled. This one. Can you do this one?
This one, I can.
And all that I will go and fetch water.
Oh. This one you buy?
No. Free.
This one very nice, very tasty. My mother will put with the curd this one chanakkalanga kootu. Kootu. Chanakkalanga kootu means the curd is you know, right? That one and this one they will boil together, put chili, some coriander, semi liquid, nice with the rice. Very tasty. My mother like this one. My mother favorite one. Chanakkalanga. With the rasam, it will go with nice. But Sadish don't like it. This one you cook with? What? How they make it? But this one we never cook for a long time, right?
Because this one very rare. This is seasonal one. That's here now. Few months it will.
Oh, okay. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Twohungry Traveler. Today, ito Lanka, the yesterday one.
Yesterday what?
Today we cook dinner. The Lanka, it's dinengdeng also, the same. Bagong and pepper, paminta. Ito, dinengdeng. Okay, dinengdeng, full vegetable, gulay, and trito, daing.
Ano yan?
Isda.
Anong klaseng isda?
Trito, batit lang, small.
Batit nga? What kind of fish?
One.
What?
Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Okay.
Basit nga tilapia.
Batit nga tilapia.
Daing.
Tamil they used to karuad. Okay, and they put some sisitan, eggplant,
Eggplant, no?
sitaw, and this one, luko, small potato, some like starch. Okay, and sisitan, and sitaw.
Oh, the kabatit is not here.
Kabatit.
Ano yung brown?
Brown?
Ito.
This one? This one.
Tamarin one.
This one fresh one. Something like called what?
Salamagi. Or sampalok.
Okay, sampalok. And I will taste the soup. Okay. I will taste the soup. Okay. The salamagi taste, I can feel it. My mouth. Sarap.
Use hand.
I've
It's
used
okay.
the hand. Okay, because 2 of them only going to eat. Oh my god.
Give me.
Too much. And this one. And this one.
You can use your hand.
I'll eat this one. That's it.
This one is soft, very soft, so you better eat. Oh, this is the
Kabatiti.
where is it?
Yeah. See guys.
This the soup.
And that one I will eat later because that one we already.
The soup you don't want to put?
Soup. Little bit, you know. Okay, guys. Okay, also will eat. Okay. Hungry too much. Work.
Yeah, because
Agbo bra. Very tasty today. This one is very soft. Luko. It's all luko. Soft.
Nice. You have the chili, fresh chili. Kain na tayo, guys.
How the
Kain. Mangan. In Tamil, sapado. This
one is very hard today.
Don't eat the skin. May strictong utong na tudo. Relate sa mga Ilocano, utong na tudo. Tudo. There's different kind of snake beans. The short only like that. We call it that one.
Small.
Utong na tudo.
That's it. Abang sisipan.
Dapay. Kak mo pay? One.
Very tasty.
Mang kapay anay.
Mama said sour.
We will go to Rizal.
Rizal what?
Together with friend.
Very tasty.
Want some more da? Some more lang ka. Kayat ko pa eh. Kayat mo? Kayat ko.
Kayat ko. I want.
I want some more.
This one small jackfruit.
No, it's not small.
Ginger taste.
Yeah, because we put laya. Ako di ko sing garod, malpas nga Diyos hindi ano pa na ibaba.
Okay. Okay guys. Thank you for watching our video and our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers. And please subscribe our channel also and comment, share, and also our Facebook page. It is Twohungry Travelers and also Indian and Pinoy and profile Facebook. That is Rosina follow. Please follow and also like, share. Okay guys, thank you. God bless everyone. We'll see you on the next video.
Happy Sunday.
Weekend.